Okay, hi again, everybody. Here we are in our Calculus 3 notes. We're in Chapter 12, Vectors in the Geometry of Space, and we're now in Section 12.3. In Sections 12.3 and 12.4, we actually learn about two different types of what are called vector multiplication. Okay, in the first section, Section 12.3, we're going to learn about the dot product. Okay, so the definition. The dot product of vectors u, which has components u1, u2, u3, and vector v, which has v1, v2, and v3 as its components, is the scalar. So the result of multiplying, in this sense, the dot product, two vectors u and v, is a scalar. It's not a vector. Okay, so the notation we use is u dot v. Okay, we say the dot product of u and v, or u dot v, equals u1 v1, so the first component of u times the first component of v, plus u2 v2 plus u3 v3. So for example 9, let's find the following dot product. So this is a very simple thing to do. If I want to multiply or take the dot product of the vector 1 minus 2 minus 1 with minus 6, 2 minus 3, you just multiply corresponding components and add up the results. So 1 times minus 6 plus minus 2 times 2 plus minus 1 times minus 3. You end up with a negative 7. So the result is a scalar, not a vector. 1 half I plus 3j plus k. Take the dot product of that with 4i minus j plus 2k. Again, you multiply corresponding components. So 1 half times 4, add up 3 times minus 1, and then add to that 1 times 2. That comes out to be 1. So the dot product of this is 1. I've attached no meaning to that yet. We will do so shortly.